Hello friends, today's topic TCS now 3500, buyback offer 4150, net profit 18%. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is service to society. This is the topic number 1 of the day. TCS has announced the record date of its buyback offer as 25th November. Shareholders who hold TCS shares as on that day will be eligible to participate in the buyback offer. TCS will be doing a share buyback of rupees 17,000 crores. The buyback plan was announced on October 11. TCS buyback has been priced at rupees 4,150 per share. Current market price is 3,498 after rallying almost 3% today. So the buyback price is around 18% above the current price. This is company's fifth share buyback in a span of 6 years. Now TCS buyback history. February 2017 buyback price 2,850. Total amount of buyback 16,000 crores. Premium above current price 18%. June 2018 buyback price 2,100. Total amount of buyback 16,000 crores. Percentage premium above current price 18%. October 2020 buyback price 3,000. Total amount of buyback 16,000. Percentage premium above current price 10%. March 2022 buyback price 4,500. Total amount of buyback 18,000 crores. Percentage premium above current price 17%. 72.3% of stake in TCS is held by the promoters Tata Sons. Share buyback is more tax efficient way of returning money to all shareholders compared to paying the money as dividend, since capital gains is taxed at lower rate than dividend. A company offers to buy back shares from its shareholders when they have surplus money in the company and want to distribute it to the shareholders. Usually people think that a company will buy back all the shares that shareholders hold and hence rush to buy shares when they see the difference between buyback price and current market price. I hope everybody will understand this. The number of shares which will be bought back from each shareholder will depend on the number of shareholders selling in the buyback offer. Also, usually the percentage of shares accepted will be hardly 20 to 30% of what shares we are eligible to sell as per buyback. So buying shares only for the sake of buyback is not a very good idea, because all shares may or may not be bought back by the company. Once you do your fundamental analysis and if you find it to be a good company to invest in, then you must invest, but don't invest just because any company is announcing a share buyback. Generally, the share price usually does not touch the buyback price during the time that the buyback offer is available for shareholders, but starts to rise gradually by the time the money is paid to the shareholders. If you want to book some partial profit and then buy the stock again at the market price, then you may decide accordingly. Here is an announcement regarding our free webinar. Topic is Learn Stock Markets from Scratch. Sunday, 19th November, 10:30 a.m. to 12:45 p.m. The seats are limited to the first 150 people, and normally when we conduct such webinars, the number of applicants will be in the range of 250 to 400, and hence there is urgency in registration. Dr. Bharath Chandra graduates need not apply for this webinar. What are you going to learn this webinar? First is basics of stock market. Second, how profitable stock markets are in the long term and short term. In the long term and short term, there's plenty of profits to be made in the stock market, and we will show how the profits were there in the past, how the profits could be there in the future. And basic fundamental analysis, by learning which you can invest for 5, 10, 15, 20 years and amass a huge amount for retirement, children education and marriage. Basic technical analysis, by learning which you can make few thousands every month extra to offset your expenses and also improve your lifestyle. Now how to register is very simple. Click the link in the description box and read the full details and register using the register button. You will get webinar link within 1 day after registering your details. Now I'm coming to the topic number 2 of the day, that is Bajaj Finance. Yesterday evening, RBI instructed Bajaj Finance to stop sanctioning and disbursal of loans under its two lending products with immediate effect. These products are e-com and Insta EMI card. RBI has taken this action due to Bajaj Finance not following some digital lending guidelines and not issuing fact statements to the borrowers. RBI has said that once Bajaj Finance rectifies this procedure regarding the specific type of loans it is providing, they will review and remove the restriction. However, Bajaj Finance has said that they are following the guidelines of RBI but will review their procedure and check if there are any deficiencies. RBI's action of stopping two specific types of Bajaj Finance loans is likely to have small impact on their overall business. Today morning, Bajaj Finance shares fell by around 4% due to this news but gradually recovered and rallied by almost 1.9% due to the positive trend of Nifty. So it looks like many investors, traders would have bought Bajaj Finance shares at the lower level, and as it became clear that the RBI action will have limited impact on the business, the shares started rallying. However, the share price may be slightly flat for some more time until this news fades away. At the end of the video, here is a question. If you have TCS shares, are you interested in selling shares back to TCS at rupees 4150 in the buyback process? Yes or no, you may type in the chat box. If you are not the member of Dr. Bharath Chandra, Rohan Chandra channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. Video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.